FinanceStrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Monday, February 3rd. Coming up today at 8:55, we have PMI data coming out from Germany. Then at 9 o'clock, we have PMI for the rest of the Eurozone. This is an important indicator because on Thursday, we have the ECB rate decision. Then at 9:30, we have PMI data coming out from the United Kingdom. And also on Thursday, we have the policy decision by the Bank of England. Then at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we have manufacturing data coming out from the United States. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 on Friday tried to get through the 1,775 support level, but failed to do so. It dropped by 0.3% on Friday. During early trading today, Monday, the Asian stocks continue to move on the downside as investors are expressing their jitters with emerging markets and looking for more safe haven investments, and particularly investing in bonds. At the beginning of the session, the S&P 500 futures are trading virtually unchanged. In a survey of investors by the Wall Street Journal shows a moderately positive outlook for the day and going into the week. Also, we continue to have corporate earnings reports during the rest of the week. The euro continued to slide versus the dollar last week, and it's forming a downward trend here. We have support at 134.60, and then we have resistance at 135.35. The pound also moved on the downside. It's currently at a support level here at 164.20, just above it. If it were to break through this support, we'd be looking for it to go down towards 163.20, or if the support were to hold, our next resistance level is at 164.70. Going to the 4-hour chart on the Japanese yen, sorry. We can see that the yen is continuing strengthening. It's continuing to strengthen, but is having trouble getting through the 102.30 level. It's tried 3 times to get through and still has bounced back. It's currently trading below that level. If it were to break through at this point, we could expect it to move towards 101.30. But if this level were to hold, we have our next resistance at 103.40. And then finally, we have gold, which on Friday dropped and just broke through the 1,240 support level. If gold were to continue to move on the downside, we have our next level at 1,230, and then important support at 1,220, or we might see it, or our resistance here is still at 1,272. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.